Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Zendesk with Microsoft Teams. To begin, open your Zendesk homepage and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This process starts from the main Zendesk workspace, so once you're on the home screen, take a moment to confirm everything is fully loaded before moving ahead. From the top left area of the screen, click the Support drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to different parts of your Zendesk environment, and it's the quickest way to switch from the Support workspace into the administrative tools you'll need for this integration. Once the drop-down opens, select Admin Center. This is where Zendesk stores configuration settings, app management tools, and integration options. If the page takes a few seconds to load, that's normal, especially if your account has several apps or settings enabled. After you're in Admin Center, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Apps and Integrations. This section is where you can manage the tools that connect Zendesk with other platforms. Since Microsoft Teams is added through the Zendesk app ecosystem, this is the section you'll use to find it. Next, go to the top right area of the page and click Marketplace. The Zendesk Marketplace is where you can browse and install official and third-party apps that extend Zendesk functionality. Opening the Marketplace will take you to a searchable list of available integrations. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the correct result appears. Searching here helps narrow down the available apps, which is useful if you have a long list of results or if you're looking for a specific support-related integration. When the results appear, click Microsoft Teams for support. This is the app listing designed for connecting Zendesk support with Microsoft Teams. Before selecting it, it can be helpful to quickly verify the app title so you know you're choosing the correct integration and not a similar listing. On the app page, click Get Set Up. This begins the setup process for connecting Zendesk with Microsoft Teams. From here, Zendesk will guide you into the installation and configuration flow for the app. As a final tip, make sure you have the appropriate admin permissions in Zendesk before starting, since some accounts may restrict access to app installation. With that done, you're ready to move forward with the integration setup.